धाडटा मरे. हाँ माइकल होले
कंप्लेन कॉपी ना कौन सी कंप्लेन कॉपी थी हवा नहीं कौन सा वहाँ से ना
दी बाईट दी भितर रावता खंय रे तूं अरे 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 अरे
See, this illegal construction and filling has been carried out in survey number 91/3, 91/4, 91/5, 91/6, 91/7, and 91/8, and 91/9. See, there are 4 people who are shown on the survey 1 and 14 form. João Domingos Fernandes, Raul F. Fernandes, Oswald A. Fernandes, and Gabriel F. A. Fernandes. And the name of tenants is Aquino Ferrão and Caetan Braganza. See, when there is already tenants are there and tenants' names has been not deleted. Without deleting the tenant's name, collector has done conversion, which is also wrong, and conversion is only 150 square meters, and here land filling has been done in around 10,000 square meters. Okay,
now what is your future plan?
see, I am part of Message Biodiversity committee is taking this ahead in India own this thing, and CRZ is also has taken cognizance of this, and TCP also has taken cognizance. Now the owner is saying there is no Murda village. The owner has given a reply, there is no Murda village, and how Message Village Panchayat is having jurisdiction in Murda village. Now Message village consists of major 4 avenue villages, that is Mormi Pikan, Murda, Mormi Gran and Renovadi. All this makes Message village, and Message village Panchayat has jurisdiction on all these 4 revenue villages. And whoever has done this is completely illegal. And this looks like this has been going on for last at least 2 years. And now the constructions has been finished. At the moment the person is showing, he is having a conversion of only 150 square meters. And the land has claimed, the claiming of land in Mashi area and the salt pans is around 10,000 square meters. And it has come to our notice that the person is setting up a casino. If Herald, the most read paper and the most reputed paper, owner is doing this, what other common people will do? See, the most respected paper at the moment is Herald, and if Herald is promoting this illegality, for other people there is no other means. Always people thought that Herald is the mouthpiece of the local man, and Herald is doing this. We shall take this to the conclusion. We shall stop. If it is casino or even other this thing, we will stop it. And I need support of all the NGOs and the people who doesn't want casino. Thank you.
शेटयान मुकुंदराज मुद्रासाक धाडटा सांगलो तो येवंक ना.
Thank you.